The 10 Best Electronics Kits for Kids. Electronics kits for kids range from color-coded logic circuits that children can snap together easily to programmable robots that your budding geniuses can code and control from a smartphone or tablet. They're all designed to prepare students for the digital world of the 21st century. And we've ranked them here by their ease of assembly, potential for fun, and educational qualities. The list starts from 4M Tin Can Robot. The 4M Tin Can Robot, about $10, provides your tots with the means to turn an empty soda can into a motorized, customizable automaton using only a Phillips head screwdriver and a AA battery. The final product doesn't look particularly high-tech, but it's still fun, adorable googly eyes, smart budget option, but can be tough to assemble. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. 9th one is Elanco Playground and Learning Center. With 130 experiments, the Elanco Playground and Learning Center, about $36, not only teaches kids electrical engineering, but the basic principles of physics, too. Budding broadcasters can build their own AM radio station, and an organ for composing its playlist. Illustrated manual, built-in speaker and LED display, but maybe too advanced for some. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Think Gizmos Ingenious Machines. The Think Gizmos Ingenious Machines APPX, $28, comes with 237 pieces that can be used to build 4 motorized robots. Kids aged from 6 years old and up can put these together relatively quickly. Though, unfortunately, they are not programmable, requires minimal help from parents, includes a remote control, but parts are somewhat flimsy. Well, here is the 7th one. Little Bits Gizmos and Gadgets. With its collection of magnetically connectable, color-coded pieces, the Little Bits Gizmos and Gadgets APPX, $189. Makes educational fun out of assembling things like electronic cars, spaceships, and more, all of which can be tweaked and customized. Is organized logically, works with Android and iOS devices, but bits occasionally don't connect. You should look into this product, it was surely well marketed. SmartLab Toys Games and Gadgets. The SmartLab Toys Games and Gadgets, around $31. Comes with kid-friendly electronic components, including a microprocessor. They come in various colors and shapes, and can be put together to build a wide variety of thought-provoking and enjoyable devices. Good value for the price. Manual with 50 projects, but wiring can be tricky for young users. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list, Snap Circuits Junior SC100 Discovery. The Snap Circuits Junior SC100 Discovery APPX, $13, is a starter set for learning the basics of electrical circuitry, and can be expanded later with more parts for bigger designs. It comes with more than 30 components that can be combined in a variety of ways. No tools required. Instructions for 100 projects, but batteries not included. Customers are king, and according to them, one should buy this one. Wonder Workshop Dash. Though he may look like a stack of billiard balls, the Wonder Workshop Dash APPX, $150, can sing, dance, and race around tracks. Kids can control him throughout his companion app and program him with both simple drag and drop. Instructions are more sophisticated code when they're ready. Widely used in schools, appropriate for ages 6 and up, but charges via micro USB. If you want cost efficient, this new one is for you. Boolean Box Build It Yourself. The Boolean Box Build It Yourself, around $170, allows youngsters to construct and program their own small computers capable of playing games like Minecraft. It uses a simplified coding system called Scratch to prepare your kids to learn more complex languages. Connects to monitors over HDMI. Designed for and by girls, but doesn't need an internet connection. According to reviews, the second best product is Elegoo Mega 2560 Starter. The Elegoo Mega 2560 Starter, around $60, provides kids with all the tools to build and program an Arduino-based project. Children can use it to learn the basics of electronic construction and programming, but professionals could get some use out of it, too. PDF tutorial with 35 lessons. Remarkably complete component set, but comes in a well-organized case. Now here is our best of best the king product. LEGO Boost Creative Toolbox. With the LEGO Boost Creative Toolbox, about $160. Children 7 to 12 years old can use this familiar construction system to build 5 programmable robots, from an electronic, purring cat to Vernie, a dancing, joking, flatulent android, advanced sensing technology, mobile app for programming, but great introduction to coding.